Welcome back, grade 7. For today's video, I'm going to guide you in answering your activity 1 to 3 week 1B with the topic different kinds of angles. So let's proceed. Before we move to the first activity, let's analyze first the given example. So we have here a clock, and if the arms of the clock move, and the time is now 7:10, and each gap of the clock measures 30 degrees. Let's determine the measure of the angle 1 and 2. So it is obviously given in the illustration or figure. We have there 30 degrees and angle between 1 and 3. So you just add 30 degrees plus 30 degrees. We came up with the answer 60 degrees. Then the angle between 2 and 7 is 30 degrees. So multiply, or you just add 30 na 5. Then the answer will be 150 degrees. Okay, so let's move to the first activity. We have here a given figure labeled as FAITH. So the first thing that we need to do is to determine the measure of each angle. For example, number 1, the measure of angle FJI. So this is the measure of angle FJI, yung may blue. So we need to add angle FJA plus angle AJI, wherein the angle measure of angle FJA is equal to 50 degrees, and the measure of angle AJI is equal to 40 degrees. So you just add 50 plus 40. We came up with the answer 90 degrees. See, as easy as that. Next example. Example number 2. The measure of angle IJH. So, the same process. Sa example number 1, you just add IJT, and the angle TJH, wherein the measure of angle IJT is equal to 60 degrees and TJH or angle TJH is equal to 30 degrees. So you just add 60 plus 30. The answer is 90 degrees. Another example. How about the measure of angle FJT? So, angle FJT is an obtuse angle. So, the operation that we're going to use is addition. So, we just add the degrees inside that angle FJT. So, angle FJA plus angle AJI plus angle IJT, the answer is, so 50 degrees plus 40 degrees plus 60 degrees, the answer is 150 degrees. Another example. Again, we just determine the measure of an obtuse angle. So just add angle AJI plus angle IJT plus angle, the measure of angle TJH, 40 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, then the answer is 130 degrees. Okay, so let's proceed to activity 2. Classify each angle based on the given figure. So remember that an acute angle measures more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. And right angle measure exactly 90 degrees. An obtuse angle measure more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So let's see, or let's let's identify what are those. First, the acute angle. So we have there angle FJA, angle AJI, angle IJT, and angle TJH for the acute angles. How about the right angle? FJI, IJH, and for the obtuse angle is FJT. Okay, and AJH. So let's proceed to activity 3, entitled You Look Familiar. So these are the given angles. So no need for you to use the protractor. Just estimate if it is correct. Okay? So we have here. So the first one is correct. Why correct? Because an acute angle measures 40 degrees, right? How about the second one, which is 90 degrees? It is also correct. And with the given examples, we have there two wrongs. So yung isa na 90 degrees is mali or wrong siya. Kasi, di ba, it is an acute angle. At ang acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. Andun na yung tamang right angle yung sa second example. Wrong din natin yung 70 degrees kasi it is supposed to be a right angle and it is measure 90 degrees. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Thank you.